Hi everyone! Ilang oras na lang kami dito sa Pilipinas. It's 7:30 AM na dito and our flight is 1 PM. So in 30 minutes pupunta na kami ng airport. Mag-ano na lang kami doon na lang kami tatambay. So yeah. Bye Philippines! I'm kinda excited about the new job, about the new city. Kaso medyo malungkot ako kasi syempre iiwan ko na yung Pilipinas. And perhaps I'll be seeing you again, Philippines, after 2 years, maybe? Not sure though. So, yes. Update ko na lang kayo sa mga susunod pang ganap. Bye!
Zombie Apocalypse.
What up everyone? So, ito, naka-boarding na kami. Ako pala. So, here's my passport and my ticket. Ito na ako. Just waiting for the time na mag-open yung gates. Siguro mga 2 to 3 hours more. Medyo mas matagal yung process kasi strictong sila sa lahat-lahat. Sa loob yung nakakatawa. Kasi immigration, secondary inspection. Hinold ako. Akala ko naman kung meron akong nagawang or something. Tapos nakita, merong doon. May something daw sa bag ko. So, binuksan. Inulit-ulit. Sabi ko, wala naman akong dyan. Wala naman akong fluids or kahit ano. So, dinouble check. Sabi ko baka yung gorilla pad ko. Sabi ko, chinek ulit, in-x-ray ulit. Tapos, sige, sir, ako naman magbubukas. Pagbukas niya ng bag ko, andun yung lotion. So, anong nangyari? Ayun, naiwan yung lotion, reset na lotion. Di ba nga sabi nga, pag more than 100 ml, bawal na yun. And nakalimutan ko. Kasi di ba nagmamadali din ako kanina. Yung lotion, naiwan. Wala na akong lotion yun. Anyway, bye Philippines. See you Saudi Arabia. Kailangan natin kumayod ng pera mga kapatid. Parang hindi ako dinig dyan. So time check, it's 12:30 PM and paalis na kami. So, see you Saudi Arabia in 9 hours. Goodbye, Philippines. Bye.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all? In the silence, it's conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe that what's inside us will release us now. Oh, you know the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time and the lessons of good.
finally arrived here at King Fahd International Airport, Damam, with Christian and friend. So, in a while, bababa na kami. It was a long ride, but it's also worth it kasi hindi walang nangyaring masama. Ang madaming food na di ko gusto.
Welcome to the mall.
Welcome to the mom.